Hall students. This tutorial here is to give you the information you're going to need for our virtual field day. So what will happen is that I will have all the events, and there are 8 of them, uploaded and ready to view on June 1st. You will therefore have 4 days to complete the 8 events, little mini competitions, and be finished by June 4th, which is Thursday. So you have a window there to do the events, and you can do them in any order. You'll see how I have them listed, but you can do them in any order you'd like. Each event challenge is 1 minute in length. So what will happen is, after every explanation and the demonstration that I give, we will go right into the minute time, and I already have that extended on the individual videos. So just to give you an idea, it's going to look like this. Okay, and that's what it should look like. So you'll have an explanation of the event, you'll have a demonstration, and then you'll go right into the minute timer. So you don't even need anybody timing you or anything like that. It'll be right on the extension of the demonstration for that event. And again, you can do them in any order. Once you finish the score sheet, which you should already have a copy of, I already sent it to your teachers and you can download it, then when all 8 events are finished, then I want you to take a picture, or mom and dad take a picture on their smartphone, and I would like for your parents to send that to me through the school email, which is tmarvin@littonhall.edu, and I will tabulate all the scores, and I'll have the results back Friday, which is June 5th. So from June 1st to June 4th, do all the events, take a snapshot of it, send it to me, and then you'll get the results the next day. So have fun and good luck.